Hi for Connect, I'm going to read you your spelling quiz for week 3, unit 23, and our focus sound is the sound. So it's I-R, U-R, O-R, and E-R making sound. So write down your numbers 1 to 15 or 1 to 10 for the red group or the yellow group, 1 to 20 for the yellow group or the green group, 1 to 25, and the blue group. I will do yours afterwards. Now you could write these down at the back of your English booklet or on a blank piece of paper. The first word is dirt. I could make mud pies from the dirt. Notice I have spaces or lines shown where there's missing letters. Dirt. Number 2 is first. The sloth came first in the race. First. Number 3 is third. The tortoise came third in the race. Third. Number 4 is 13. My dog is almost 13. Number 5 is 30. They were given $30 for their birthday. Number 6 is stir. We had to stir the mixture before baking the cake. Number 7 is were. We were feeling very excited. Were. Number 8 is word. We would spell the word correctly. Number 9 is heard. I heard a beautiful sound from the bird. Number 10 is early. We woke up very early on Anzac Day. Number 11 is church. I went to church on Sunday. Number 12 is circle. We formed a circle to play the game. Number 13 is purple. We painted the colour of the flowers purple. Number 14 is return. We would return to our favourite holiday place. Return. Number 15 is world. We live in a beautiful part of the world. World. Okay, keep listening to 25 and then I will show you your words. Actually, we can give you a sneak preview so you can check and mark your words. Yellow and red group. There they are there. Make sure you're looking carefully at the letters. Number 16. Keep going. Those that would like to test themselves on some more. 16 is worst. I had the worst headache. Worst. Number 17 is learn. I can learn all my spelling words. Learn. Number 18 is serve. We got to serve the customer. Serve. Number 19 is service. The restaurant gave us lovely service. Service. Number 20 is Thursday. I like learning French on Thursday. Thursday. Make sure you've got a capital letter. Number 21 is turtle. The turtle looked very happy in its tank. Turtle. Number 22 is journey. We went exploring on a fun journey. Journey. Number 23 is observe. We would observe the stars in the night sky. Observe. Number 24 is vertical. A vertical line goes up and down. Number 25 is worthwhile. It was worthwhile walking all the way to the beach. Worthwhile. Okay, you can check your words and see how you've gone. Now I'm going to do the blue group's extension words, and that might be you if you're also in the green group, so just listening up to those. Number 1, this is for the blue group. Make sure you write your numbers 1 to 20 somewhere on your English workbook. Number 1 is affirm. They would affirm the students and encourage them. Affirm. Number 22 is burglar. The burglar stole all the jewelry. Burglar. Number 3 is burgundy. Burgundy is a purplish red colour. Burgundy. Number 4 is circular. We drew a circular shape. Circular. Number 5 is commercial. The commercial business had to close over the holidays. Commercial. Commercial's like a almost like a shop. Number 6 is courteous. They were very kind and courteous when they brought their food. Courteous. Number 7 is determine. We could not determine who would be the winner, and they declared it a tie. Determine. Number 8 is emergency. It was an emergency when I cut my finger. Emergency. Number 9 is fertile. The soil was very fertile for growing the vegetables. Fertile. Number 10 is herbicide. We had to put herbicide on the garden before we began our growing. Herbicide. Number 11 is observatory. We went to the observatory to watch the night sky and to see the stars. Observatory. Number 12 is occurred. A strange event occurred in the night. Occurred. Number 23 is permanently. My ear had gone permanently deaf after all the loud noises. Permanently. Number 14 is returnable. The book was not returnable when it got destroyed in the rain. Returnable. Number 15 is semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. Semicircle. Number 16 is surgeon. The surgeon did an amazing job on the patient. Surgeon. Number 17 is turquoise. The colour of the ocean was a beautiful turquoise. Number 18 is vertically. The trapeze artist was hanging vertically from the apparatus. Vertically. Number 19 is worthless. The note was worthless when it had torn in half. Worthless. And number 20 is yearned. My dog yearned for her dinner. Yearned. Let's see how you went, blue group. You can check your words, or you can use your sheet on your English book. Please make sure you go through, underline and mark the words you've spelled incorrectly, and make sure you're checking those and learning them for this week. You can also learn them next week as well, any that you cannot remember or that you get wrong on the Friday. Good luck and well done.